In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Coursera from Google Calendar. Many of us rely on Google Calendar to keep our schedules organized and clutter-free. Sometimes, though, we connect calendars for online courses like Coursera that we don't necessarily want to see all the time, or perhaps we've completed the course and no longer need it. Removing these excess calendars can significantly declutter your view and help you focus on what truly matters. Let's walk through the steps to do this easily. First things first, we'll need to open Google Calendar on your computer. This is because the desktop interface provides full functionality, making it easier to manage your calendars compared to the mobile version. So fire up your favorite web browser and head to Google Calendar. Once you're there, take a good look at the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find all your calendars neatly listed. Here, you will have sections typically labeled My Calendars and Other Calendars. You should find the Coursera calendar listed under one of these sections. Now that you've located the Coursera calendar, the next step involves hovering your mouse over its name. Once you do this, you'll notice that 3 vertical dots, often referred to as options, will appear right next to it. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. Don't worry, this menu contains only a few selections, thus making it easy to identify your next action. Upon opening this menu, you'll spot the option to either remove or unsubscribe from the calendar. While these options might sound slightly different, both actions will essentially remove the Coursera calendar from your Google Calendar view. So go ahead and click on either remove or unsubscribe. It's a quick process, and Google might give you another prompt just to make sure this is exactly what you intend to do. This is Google's way of preventing accidental deletions, so simply confirm the action when prompted. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully removed the Coursera calendar from your Google Calendar. This means no more unnecessary notifications or clutter. Removing calendars that you no longer need is an excellent way to keep your digital life organized, enabling you to focus on the things that really matter. Keeping a streamlined calendar can greatly enhance your productivity and peace of mind. I hope you found this video helpful and easy to follow. If you have more questions about managing your Google Calendar, feel free to check out our other videos. Thank you for tuning in and have a great day.